Hello guys, this is Javon, and today we're gonna be doing Castleminer videos, and this is part. What is it? If you guys don't know, I made Squid Games videos. I made Squid Games. Is it? No, it's part 3. So today we're gonna be doing part 4 of Castleminer Z. So let's get straight into it. So last time I got some gold and I made myself a wooden pickaxe, which is better than an iron one. Yeah, my game is pretty laggy. Like, look how laggy it is. Like, it's so laggy. I need to change it. I have to change it because I changed it to low and it's just not working. It's just the lag. But it's the lag. So guys, I'm sorry if I hit the pause button. I'll see you guys when it is fixed. Okay guys, so I am back and the game lags, so I fixed it, and yeah. So we're gonna try to play. See if it works. It's not working. It's not working. Why is it so laggy? Why is it so laggy? My game is pretty laggy. Guys, comment down below that can you help me. Guys, comments down below that can you help me that the game just lagged. Because it's oh wait, it's working. Okay. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try to get up through there. And I know for a fact there's a skeleton right there. There is. Okay. Oh, it's coal. So I have my volume really low and my mic, I'm sorry about the mic, that it's laggy at the frame rates. So yeah. Ooh, I got diamond bullets. Yes, I looted an iron bullets. Perfect. Whoa. I'm inside the edge of the map. I'm gonna try to get up through there. I'm gonna try to dig straight up. Okay. If you want me to make Squid Games, I will make one as well. I'm gonna change it to So I got 11 pieces of iron. So we can make a bulletproof glass windows. Okay. Then I run out of sun because give me all this sun. Give me all of that. Okay. Bulletproof glass windows. Only 2 of them, because I don't have any more coal. Okay. I'm gonna have to put this. Frick. So you can barely see my tools. Need to try place it here. Place it here. That's better. Okay. So wait, I need iron. I forgot about it. Need more iron. So there you go. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna have to dig straight down. Oh, it hit bloodstone. Bloodstone is basically the bedrock that you cannot mine it with a gold pickaxe. Dang, I need torches. Oh, there's coal. Okay, only 5 of them. Alright. Oh, I saw it. Right there. Oh, there's a cave right here. But woo! Jeez. Skeletons. Go check it out. Other videos that I make. And hit that like button below. And I'll make Squid Games if I want. So, okay. Alright. Ooh, what is that? Oh my god. Of course, there's skeletons. What is that? Lucky loot block. Ooh, what's it gonna give us? This is a lucky loot block. Is it? Guys, comments down below that what is a lucky loot block can get. Laser pistol, iron crates, and grenade. Laser pistol. I didn't use it, but now I'm gonna take torch. And I'm gonna take the. Wait, do we need copper? No, we don't. Grenades. That's all. I'm gonna have to. No, I'll give her torches. I don't torch them. Okay, so wait, what do I have? Oh, I can use it. I got 7 bullets. Okay, iron. Yes, I got iron. But we got gold, so we can make a golden AK-47 instead, because it's better than the diamond one. Oh. skeletons. No. Oh god. So much skeletons. Okay, so I loot to gold. We're getting rich. We're getting so rich right now.
Go get mommy some cold water.
Okay, so I'll see you guys when I feed the dogs. Okay, guys, so I am back. I'll see you. Okay, guys, so my mom, he bring the puppy here. So, go check it out, other videos that I usually make. But, a lot of people that he watch my videos, and please subscribe, and she watched my videos. You know the James now? He watched my videos on YouTube. That he watched my videos from now on. And yeah. So we're gonna try to, but we're so close to 6 subscribers. Thank you. Okay. So into the house and end off the video here. Okay, let's go into the house. Okay, so let's put that on. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end up the video here. We're so close to 6 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for giving me 5 subscribers. But we're so close to 6 subscribers. Guys, this is going to be season 4 today. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. And James and Janice, he watched my videos on YouTube that I made. And subscribe to the channel and hit that like button below. And hit that bell button. No. Hit that like button. So you can bring me some 6 subscribers today. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up in 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So subscribe and you enjoy. So bye.